बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे मई 19, 2024 के अखबार में। पाकिस्तान सिविल एविएशन अथॉरिटी की जॉब है PCAA। अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ PCAA's प्रोफेशनल टीम, सिचुएशन वैकेंट। नोटिस नंबर 5/2024। Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority requires services of qualified individual to fill the following vacant post on regular basis, where selection will be made purely on suitability and merit. Post: Assistant Director MET Inspector EG1. Number of seats 1. Prescribed qualification master's degree or equivalent degree in Meteorological Watch Office MWO recognized basic instruction package for meteorologist PIPM. At least 2 years of progressively responsible and demonstrated experience. Preference will be given to candidates having experience in aviation MET. Forecasting at the Meteorological Watch Office MWO. Familiarity with QMS and SMS is preferable. Must have an excellent knowledge of MWO/ICAO and documents and technical regulations. Quota and pay scale merit. Basic pay scale ₹56,000 to 56,280 rupees to 5630 and 1,68,880. Initial gross salary 1,97,689. Negotiable. Age limit maximum 28 years. Age relaxation as per federal government rules will be applicable. ओके जी, अच्छा। Application procedure A. Interested candidates are required to fill and submit online job application form available at www.caapakistan.com.pk within 15 days from the date of advertisement of this advertisement 19th May 2024 advertisement date है। Number B. Candidate will be the required to upload scanned copies of certificate/degree of the required qualification only of the concerned post as mentioned above and CNIC while applying for the job. C. In case a candidate does not upload the above documents with the online application form, his/her application will be rejected. Additional Director HRTM, Headquarters Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority, Terminal 1 Jinnah International Airport Karachi। टेलीफोन नंबर है 02199072068 भी है और 67 भी है। 02199072068 भी है और 67 भी है। www.caapakistan.com.pk। पिप्फा की जॉब है पाकिस्तान इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक फाइनेंस अकाउंटेंट्स। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी। PIFFA is inviting applications from motivated and hardworking professionals having natural flair towards research work for the following position based at its head office Karachi. Position: subject specialist, corporate sector, qualification/eligibility. The ideal candidate should be a member in a good standing of PIFFA, ICAP, ICMAP or ACCA with a minimum of 5 years post qualification experience of teaching or research in the accounting and finance field at a reputed professional institute/RAETS. The candidate is expected to possess comprehensive knowledge of the subjects which is studied in professional qualification and should be well versed with IFRS accounting and auditing standards. To apply for the position, please go to the https://pipfa.org.pk/careers_with PIFFA PIPFA. Applications through courier or email are not accepted incomplete or partially filled applications will be summarily rejected. The institute is an equal opportunity employer and provides competitive remuneration and benefits package. The last date to apply for the position is June 15, 2024. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है और ये भी डॉन न्यूज़ की है। फॉर्मा की जॉब से फॉर्मा जॉब्स प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर कराची। वी आर वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग हेल्थ केयर / pharmaceutical company having foreign collaboration dealing in innovative global brands through medical profession. Due to rapid expansion and diversification plans, we need top quality professional for the post of product manager with at least 2 to 4 years experience in cardiology / neurology and diabetology. MBBS doctor with pharmaceutical experience are preferred. Good presentation skills, in depth medical knowledge and proficiency in developing PowerPoint presentation is a prerequisite. Regional sales manager South, based in Karachi, talented individual to head its southern region sales team. The right candidate must have complete knowledge about the market, its dynamics and contact in cardiology field. Must be able to groom and develop a team to lead the effort to increase penetration of our research based medicines in the south region. Must have experience in cardiology, diabetology and neurology. Zonal sales managers based in Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad, Hyderabad, Rawalpindi. Outstanding candidates with previous experience and working knowledge in cardiology, diabetology and neurology segments. Package above average salary. Company maintained car, lucrative incentives, provident fund, bonus and other fringe benefits will be offered to the selected candidates. For all the above posts, email your complete CV soonest to intljobspharma@gmail.com mentioning position applied for in the subject line of email. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है, अर्जेंटली रिक्वायर्ड। वी आर लुकिंग फॉर फील्ड जियोलॉजिस्ट एंड माइनिंग engineers with at least 5 years of experience in mining. Must be willing to work in remote areas of Pakistan and capable of handling mining operations independently. Should have latest and updated knowledge of mining and mineral ores. The candidate must have university degree in mineralogy / geology. The ideal candidates can send their CVs at umarAssociates2016@gmail.com. Umar, OMAR, Umar Associates, ASSOCIATES2016@gmail.com. एक और जॉब है द tradewheel.com. tradewheel.com grow business globally. We are hiring. How to apply? Please send your resume to HR@tradewheel.com और व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 0312399851 0312399851 CV भेजने के लिए। और एड्रेस है 12th फ्लोर नूर ट्रेड सेंटर, मेन यूनिवर्सिटी रोड, एडजेसेंट उस्मानिया रेस्टोरेंट, ब्लॉक 13A, गुलशन इकबाल, कराची। Join us and be a part our dynamic team. Customer support executive, sales support executive. Number of positions 20. Requirements: excellent communication skills, ability to work in a fast paced environment, prior experience in customer support or sales support preferred, strong problem solving skills. So जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।